So there is this brand new product called Magic Dock for Tesla Model 3 and Model Y, including Model 3 Highland, that just came out in the market. Our unit is on the way, but I want to do a preview video letting you know what this product does, how the installation goes, and of course when we get our unit next week, I'm going to do a detailed step-by-step installation guide and do thorough testing to make sure that all those buttons work. But what this does, it has got 10 different buttons, 5 on one side, 5 on other side, and they are push buttons where you can push it up or down and they control various things. As well as there is a knob in the very middle where you rotate that knob, it controls the temperature of your car, the climate, and if you push it, it controls the fan speed. And the LED that is on top actually changes based on the temperature that you set the car to. So it is very intuitive when you are turning it, what it is doing. Now, as far as the buttons go, they control 20 different features because you can push it up or down. So 10 buttons, up or down, 20 different features for now. It controls a lot of things in the car, anywhere from popping out the front passenger door over there, the rear passenger doors, the both of them. If you ride for Uber or any of the ride sharing services, that could come in very handy. It also controls the seat, the front passenger seat, without needing anything to be connected to the seat. These buttons work Bluetooth. The installation is super easy. You just pop out the side panel for Highland or Model 3 or Model Y, and you just plug a thing in the CAN port as well as the 12-volt power supply, and it's a Bluetooth module that directly connects wirelessly to the buttons. The button itself is also super easy to install. You just have a bracket that goes around and then you clip it, and that's how the installation goes, and it secures underneath the center screen. You do need a power with the USB-C from the front, so you just plug that in and then route that cable to the front for the USB-C power. That's the only thing I'm a little bit iffy about with this whole installation process, but that is how it goes. The rest of the functionality on the button also include turn signals, especially for Model 3 Highland, where the turn signals are little buttons on the steering wheel. Maybe it is a little bit easier to have that bigger physical buttons on the side. You can also do gear selection, you can do glove box, you can do autopilot, you can do sports mode, chill mode, pop out front, trunk, all of that stuff that we have seen a physical buttons do in the past. Now these are more of a slick looking buttons with multifunction, controls various things, and these are all the controls that you see on the screen right now are all the controls that is available today. Typically I don't do a video like this without having a product, but because this is such a brand new product and the manufacturer told me a lot about this product, I want to share that info with you all. We are getting our unit from teststudio.us. I have a link down below where if you click on that link, it automatically has the discount code Shiva Tesla embedded to it. So if you just hit apply that coupon, it will go through the page. It is $199 without the coupon, and after the coupon is applied, you should be able to save some money. Keep in mind this is an affiliate link and a affiliate code, so we do make a very small commission at no additional cost to you. That greatly helps us bring videos like this in the future. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please come back again next week for a detailed review with all the functions and everything in one place.